Let me show you how to enable the Hey Google voice assistant on your Samsung S26 and S26 Ultra. So you can simply say Hey Google and the phone will do things for you. So if you want to enable it, simply swipe up and you want to go to the Google folder here and open the Google app. And over here, so you'll have to click this thing. Okay, when you open it up, and then go to the settings here and Gemini, so not the assistant but Gemini, and over here talk to Gemini hands-free, and we have to enable here. Also we are going to need to basically train our voice to this phone as well. You're going to need to say a few phrases it will ask. So turn on, agree. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and we are all done. You can click this or also not, it's not needed. So yeah, and then to summon it, simply say, Hey Google, Hey Google, set timer for 8 minutes. So you see,
set a timer for 8 minutes.
You can ask to various things or also research anything basically using Gemini as well. Okay, good luck.